Let's start with chapter number 7, Java Basics. Students, first of all, install the Java language software in your computer according to your computer configuration, like 32 bits or 64 bits, and according to your Windows version like Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can install the Java software language in your computer and also install the SCITE software and then insert the code in SCITE and run the program in Java. Java is an object-oriented program language developed by Sun Microsystem, a company best known for his high-end Unix workstation. Modeled after C++, the Java language was designed to be small, simple and portable across platform operating system, both source and at all the binary level. In this chapter, we will learn to start program with Java. We will discuss a simple Java statement, the basic that we can do in Java within method main, that we discuss later. Now, introduction to Java. Java language was first developed at Sun Microsystem in 1991. Java is small, fast, efficient and easily portable to wide range of hardware devices. It considered as one of the ideal language for the distributing executable program via the World Wide Web, that is WWW, and also general purpose programming language for developing programs that are easily usable and portable across the different platforms. Java is an object-oriented language and here it differs from C language. Using the Java, we can take full advantage of object-oriented methodology. That is, Java is object-oriented concept and its capabilities to creating flexible, modular and reusable code. We can reuse the code again in Java. It includes the set of class libraries that provides the basic data type, system input, output, capabilities and other utility functions. Students, we use this basic data type, system inputs, output, discuss later in this chapter. Now, these basic classes are apart from the Java Development Kit, that is JDK. The full form of JDK is Java Development Kit. JDK has classes to support networking, common internet protocol and user inheritance tools, toolkit function. Because these class libraries are written in Java and they are portable across the platform of all Java applications are. Java is platform independent, both source and binary level. Now students, here in figure 7.1, the first one is Java source code, where we type the Java program. Here, see, here this is the SCITE, that is where this is the source code where we type our program. Then after that, after typing the Java source code, we use Java compiler. We can type the Java source code in SCITE. Then for compiling means to convert from the English level language to machine level language, we use this compiler. Then after that, it converts into bytecode. Then after bytecode, we can get the result on the operating systems like Java Interpreter for Linux, Java Interpreter for Windows and Java Interpreter for Mac. Student, I again repeat this. 7.1 figure. We can type our code in Java source code, that is in SCITE. Then after that, after typing the program, we can compile the Java program. Then after compilation, your program is converted into machine level language. Then after machine level language, it can be displayed according to your that operating system installed in your computers, like for Linux, for Windows and for Mac. Here in our computer we use Windows operating system. Now students, the next one is to display the Vidyut Board Vidyalaya in Java programming. So students, this is the first program. The first line, that is program first to display the Vidyut Board Vidyalaya through Java program. Here student, the first statement is public class P1. Here the two new words, public and class. The definition of class that we define in chapter number 6. Here the class name is P1. Because our first program is P1, so over here I am taking P1. Then open curly bracket. Public static void main, that is the second one. User defined function, that in round bracket string, square bracket start, square bracket close, and arguments. ARGS stands for arguments. Then open curly bracket for the second public. Then to display Vidyut Board Vidyalaya in Java, we use the third statement, system.out.println. System.out.println is useful for displaying purpose, because we can display the statement Vidyut Board Vidyalaya. Now system.out.println, over here S is capital, then .out.println, then round bracket, double quotes, Vidyut Board Vidyalaya, double quotes close, round bracket close, semicolon, close curly bracket for the first public static void main, and second curly bracket for public class P1. Then students, save this file with, here we give the name P1, file, save p1.java. The extension of this file is p1.java. Then click on save. Now for displaying the result on the screen, first of all type this program in SCITE. Then our next step is, this is the source code. The next step is compile it. For this, for compilation, go to tools and click on compile. The shortcut key for compile is Ctrl F7. See, on the right hand side you can see exit code is 0. Exit code 0 means your program is up to date without error. Now if suppose you forget to type semicolon, and if you compile it, automatically error message will be displayed on the screen. See, semicolon is expected at the end of system.out.println. See, they give the error over here. Suppose I again type it at the end of this and go to tools, clear output, go to tools, compile it again. Then you can see the exit code 0 means your program is up to date. And after, go to tools and click on go. That is the shortcut key for go is F5. Now you can see Vidyut Board Vidyalaya is displayed on the screen. This is the first program in Java to display Vidyut Board Vidyalaya. Now students, the second program is for computing, to compute the balance with the help of Java program. See, on the page number 120, 135, see 128. The class implement a simple program that will compute the cost of phone calls and update the balance. Now, second, to compute the cost of phone calls and balance. Same way, students, for the first one is type public class P2. Here the class name is P2. Open curly bracket. Public static void main. This is the second statement along with string square bracket start square close round bracket. Students, in this program, to compute the cost of phone call in your mobile, the balance is 170. The 170 balance, this is the variable. Here variable is which type? Double. Double is the variable type, that is the data type used in Java. We use different data type like integer, float, double, string, short, byte, etc. that we discuss later. So we can take first variable balance, that is double data type. The balance, in balance the value is 170. The rate of the phone call is 1.02 rupees and duration be 37 seconds. And the last variable is cost. Now your formula for computing cost, that means your duration for talking into rate. Clear? So cost is equal to duration multiplied by rate. This is the multiply sign, then semicolon. Now after talking, your balance, that means balance is equal to balance minus cost. Suppose you can talk with your friend with 5 minutes, automatically the value can be deducted from this balance. Now from displaying purpose, to display the balance, we use again system.out.println. See, system.out.println as capital round bracket double quotes balance colon double quotes closed. This is the first one. Plus means plus is for concatenating, for joining purpose. To join balance with this display purpose, we use this sign plus for joining, that is concatenate. Plus balance, all the variable that we take over here balance, that is balance. The spelling of this balance can be same over both sides. Same way for cost, take the same spelling over here. Then for rate, same over here. Duration, we can take the same spelling. Clear? Then after typing all this necessary code in Java, the next step is save this file with P2, because we can take here class or second program, that is P2. File, save P2.java. Java is the extension of the program. Click on save. Then for compiling purpose, same way students, go to tools. If you want to rub the previous output of the result, go to tools, clear output. Then go to tools, compile, that is control F7. See, you can see the exit code 0, means your program is error free. Then for displaying purpose, we use F5 or click on go. See, the balance is 132.26, means in this way we can compute the call cost or phone call and update the balance. Clear? Now students, the third one is, or the third program is to compute the simple interest in Java. Now public class P3. P3 is the third program. So over here I am giving the class name as P3. Open curly bracket. Public static void main, that we type. These two statements are common in the most of the programs. Then string, round square bracket start, square bracket close, arguments, close curly bracket. Now open curly bracket of this second public. Here we can take the data type double. Then P stands for principal. The principal amount is 1000 rupees, comma. R stands for rate of interest. I am giving the name as R. R is equal to 5%. Then duration. For finding out the simple interest, we use the duration. So for duration purpose, I am taking n is equal to 2, and the last variable is SI. So in earlier classes in mathematics, we find out the SI with the help of which formula? SI is equal to PRN upon 100. So I am taking the same formula in this program. SI, that is simple interest, is equal to P. P stands for principal, and the principal amount is 1000 rupees. Then multiple sign. Then R stands for rate of interest. R is equal to 5. N stands for duration. Over here I am taking 2 years divided by 100. Now for displaying purpose, we take the statement system.out.println as capital. Then in round bracket double quotes, simple interest is, then colon double quotes close, this plus sign for joining purpose, that is concatenate. To concatenate the answer with this simple interest is, we use plus SI, round brackets close, semicolon close, close curly bracket for public static void main, and close curly bracket for public class P3. I am giving over here the class name is P3. Same way we can save this file with the class name, that is p3.java. File save. Now type p3.java. Then students, click on save. Now for displaying purpose the result, we can go to the tools menu. Same way, compile and go. First of all, to clear the previous results output, we select the clear output. Now students, go to tools, click on compile, that is Control F7. You can see the exit code be 0, means your program is error free. Now tools, go, see the simple interest is 100. If you, in this formula, P is equal to 1000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 100. So you got the result 100. And if you want to display this result, we can use this statement system.out.println. Simple interest is 100 rupees. Means in that way we can complete the 3 programs through Java. First one is for displaying purpose. Second one is for compute the call cost of the phone calls. And third one is to compute the simple interest.